Yo, it's your boy Sway. Back here, another freaking video, man. Y'all already know what's going on. Another POV video on this great day, great Tuesday. You know what I'm saying? It's a great day. We gonna get this money though. Sunny day, of course. Fuck. Can't see nothing. Can't see a goddamn thing, man. But yeah, hope y'all having a good day watching this video. Yeah, I'm gonna just go on a little drive, you know what I'm saying? A little drive. It's a great day, you know? A lot of content, a lot of content. Burger King open 24 hours. Damn. But yeah, not much, just really a POV, you know what I'm saying? Talk about, you know what I'm saying, the build, you know what I'm saying, full both on cam, Maggie, you know what I'm saying, police, a little bit of E in that motherfucker. My next is though, I'm getting going port, maybe some meth, maybe a couple other things, gotta keep that a secret, you know what I'm saying? I still gotta get this engine light off though. I need to just take it off, but I ain't feel like it yet, so that's why I ain't take it off. But yeah, man, got a couple more things I want to do to the ZL1, and that's really it. You feel me? Add some more cars on, man. Added some more stuff. Hopefully, I was gonna get this. I want to buy this Toyota Tacoma truck, but this dude ain't messaged me back yet. He was texting me back earlier, but he ain't texted me back yet. So hopefully this dude texts back and we get this truck. Cause I need another truck. I sold my other truck, but I should have never sold it, but your boy sold it, man. Game for a month. Hey. Or just a bus, just sounds nice, don't it? She said she wanna read her, and that's what she lost me. Yeah, I don't know, bro. This cord, bro. My GoPro about to die, so I got this cord on this right now. That chop sounds crazy though. I should do a dig right now. Nah, I ain't gonna do it. They want me to, my boy Octane, you know, they want me to go to a private race night in fucking Kentucky. God damn, Kentucky. It depends on how far in Kentucky though. On Saturday, I don't know. I'm pretty busy on Saturday, so I don't know if I can for real, but racing in Kentucky. Shit. We're gonna see what's up though with that. We're gonna definitely see what's up with the racing in Kentucky, so I'm gonna see what's up, man. It's this Saturday. I don't know how far. If it's like 3 hours, I'm not going. If it's 2.5, I'm not going. Feel me? If it's 2 hours, I'm not going. If it's like 1 hour and 30 max, then I'll go. You feel me? I'll go. But other than that, don't look like I'm going. If don't look like I'm going to that one, brother. She wanna wear her ring, that's what she lost me. Saucy. Get some gas in this car. Bruh, I started this car at 55 miles. I ain't even go 10 miles yet, it's like 46. Crazy, brother. that's where you lost me. I gotta take the boys to the dog park. Doggy park. I really can't believe I picked the supercharger up by myself. I really picked this whole supercharger up by myself. That's crazy. I gotta take this engine light off. I don't like this being on. Looking at that, boy. And I got a scrimmage this Sunday. They trying to have a car meet this Sunday. I don't think I'm gonna just have it at 3 feet tree or something. I don't know, man. I don't really know, man. I need to find like a big parking lot close to the. Parking lot, really. I want to walk the trail. Sunset, POV drive, 900 horsepower ZL1. Toyota. Send my money to an invoice. Somebody doing a burnout or something. money, do an invoice. It's a great day though, man. Sunset POV Drive, around the town. Greenhouse. I love having a heated wheel too. So nice having a heated wheel. Miles to E. ZL1. Pops are crazy in this car now. Chilly. Hear the pops. Goodness gracious. Got a little third gear pull. We up this hill. I get up this hill. Oh. Get it on video though. out behind me. Hope y'all enjoyed this video though. Like the video, and I'm out, man. Peace.